clicking on this video, and welcome to Lazy Cooking with Sabrina. Thank you for all y'all who keep coming back to this channel. I appreciate all your love, support, and welcome all the new ones. I hope you guys like my channel. Go ahead and stick around and subscribe. In this video, I'm going to be cooking a Cinnabon casserole. It was a winner, let's say winner.com in the house, and I hope that you guys like it. And if you do, go ahead, don't be stingy. Go ahead and share this video, like, comment, and just do all that good stuff. Enough of this long plug. Let's get into the video. I used about a half a cup of milk. I'm going to use, I'm going to say about 1 tablespoon of some cinnamon. And I put about a teaspoon of vanilla extract in there. And then I also put about a teaspoon of some maple syrup. You know, I like things sweet, so I put a little bit extra, but start off with a teaspoon. You're going to need 4 eggs. Now you're going to just go ahead and mix that all up. Okay, now you're going to, grease up your crock pot. I did use, I cut up 1 can first and I placed that at the bottom. Then I poured my little egg mixture, and then the rest of the cinnamon rolls, I placed that right on top. And then since it comes with icing already, I also added the icing on there. Don't use both of them, just use one, because the second one you're going to use when it's done. So after it cooked for about, I set it for 4 hours on high, and then voila, with the rest of the icing I then spread it, all over the cinnamon roll casserole. And this is how it turned out. Super yummy. This is something you definitely can make the night before or the day before. I'm telling you, this was so delicious. My kids loved it. It does warm up really well. If you tried this recipe, go ahead. Don't forget to definitely let me know. Tell me how you liked it. Thank you so much for all your love and support, and continue to come and watch my channel and do all that good stuff. I'll catch you guys in my next video. And as always, guys, God bless. Mwah.